In this video, I'll give you the exact prompt that I use to generate high converting webinar registration page copy in seconds. This is the same framework that's helped creators, coaches, and business owners boost their sign-up rates without hiring an expensive copywriter. So if you're struggling to get people to register for your webinar, this prompt will fix that. Now stick with me, because by the end, you'll have a plug and play formula that works every time. So most people create webinar pages that don't convert. They either sound too generic, they don't create urgency, or they fail to communicate why someone needs to attend. And if your registration page doesn't do its job, well, then you're not going to have any signups and you won't have any audience, which means you won't have any sales. But what if you could generate high converting copy in just a few seconds? No guesswork, no writer's block, just results. That's exactly what I'm about to show you. Let's get straight into it. Here's the ChatGPT prompt that will do all the heavy lifting for you. All right, so here we are. This is the webinar registration page prompt. We're going to follow the instructions here and we're going to paste it into ChatGPT. So all we got to do is use this tiny little prompt right here. Then we're just going to fill in all of these brackets. So we'll go ahead and first we'll copy this. Then we'll head over to ChatGPT and we'll paste it in. So I've already taken the liberty of creating all of this stuff I need to fill in. So I'll just go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so I filled in all of those blanks. Now our prompt is a lot longer. We're giving ChatGPT a lot more context to work with. So let's go ahead and run this prompt. And so just like that, it's going to start creating our registration page copy. It's going to give us some great headline. It's going to give us some sub headlines here. And it's going to section out our registration page. So it's going to give us really good bullet points as well. Okay, now that we're done, let's go ahead and take a look at this copy. So we've got a headline here, Dads and Dumbbells and No Gym Fitness Plan for Busy Fathers. We got a sub headline here that's great. We've got a section here that basically makes sure that people understand that this webinar is right for them. Here's what they're going to learn in the webinar. It's going to give us some bullet points. Who's this webinar for? So this is a great section here. So basically, the people who go to your registration page, they're going to identify with at least one of these. It's going to give us a little bit about us so people understand who is doing the webinar. Underneath this section, or in between here at the very end, I would always recommend to put some social proof. So if you have screenshots, if you have testimonials, if you have case studies, any sort of reviews, those are an addition to your copy here. Obviously, I can't generate your social proof for you here with the ChatGPT prompt, but this is going to get you about 90% of the way. So that is going to be your registration page prompt. Hopefully you found this extremely valuable. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe if you found this valuable. Awesome. Now imagine using this for your own webinar. How much time would this save you? How much more effective would your pages be? Get this prompt and more for free on Fearless Webinar Academy. That's all for now, and I'll see you in the next one.